Hello, peace and all good. Last September 16, 2014, the Basic Education Department had the annual field trip for the students to learn by going to different places. Even though there was a storm a day before the event, we still pushed through. To start off our trip, we have here the Blanco Museum. The Blanco Museum houses a collection of paintings by the family of artists from Mangono, Rizal. The first in the history of Philippines who slated a family exhibit at the National Museum in Manila in 1978. The Blanco Museum was constructed in 1980, 2 years after the first family painting exhibition. The paintings were installed on sawali or weaved bamboo slate. The arrangement of paintings in the museums from youngest, Peter Paul, who tried his hands at the age of 11 months, to the eldest, Glenn, who started painting when he was 15. Yab Design. Unfortunately, we weren't able to take a picture inside because it was prohibited. Yab Design was established when the resin and fiberglass reproduction and decoration industry was bustling in the early 90s. Yab Design is a manufacturer of handcrafted polyester resin and fiberglass items and statues, mainly used for decoration and advertising purposes. Yab Design's product range mainly exists out of life-size human figures, life-size animal figures, garden products, and many more. Rusty Lopez. Another bummer because we didn't have the chance to take a picture inside. Anyways, in 1977, Lolita Lopez opened a shoe store by the name of Centropel in the Cubao Shoe Expo. Almost 3 decades later, the tandem of Lolito and wife Lily has blossomed and now sit at the helm of a shoe business empire that is renowned for its commitment to the development. The popularity of Rusty Lopez brand eventually exceeded the expectation of the holding companies and as a result holds one of the biggest market shares within the entire local shoe industry. Meralco Museum. The place is located in Meralco Technical Services Building. The Manila Electric Company, also known as Meralco, is the Philippines' largest distributor of electrical power. It is Metro Manila's only electric power distributor and holds the power distribution franchise for 22 cities and 89 municipalities, including the whole of the National Capital Region and the exurbs that form Mega Manila. The museum shows us that technology is evolving bit by bit, and we have to cope up to make our lives easier. Some of the inventions here are totally amazing,